Okay, guys, what we're doing now is I want to show you how we're going to work out the surface area. Now, please make sure you remember the surface area is the outside, and we talk about faces. So this is a face, this is a face, this is a face. Now, if you imagine on the left-hand side, on the inside, that would be a face, the bottom is a face, and then the back is a face as well. So how many faces have we got? Well, if you count, that's one, and it's directly opposite one would be two. The top and the bottom would be 3, 4, and then the front and the back would be 5, 6. So if you're looking at a rectangular prism, you've got 6 sides. Okay, so first of all, it says identify the number of faces the rectangular prism has. It has 6, 3 pairs of identical. And that's what's really going to help us when you're working things out. We don't have to work it out 6 times because we know that that is the same as the back one. And this side one is the same as that side one. And this top is the same as that bottom. So that really helps us. Okay, so just get back onto this. All right, so I want to move this down. Okay, so if we have a look here, what we're going to do first of all is we're going to find out, let's just zoom back up. We're going to find out, right, the front. Now, this is how I want you to set it out, okay? I want you to actually write front rectangular face. So that means that it's this one here. Okay, and I would go 5 would be my width, and my height here is 9, so I would go 5 times 9 equals 45 centimeters squared. All right, I want you to put that down. I would probably prefer if you put your equals sign underneath each other, but that's okay. Then underneath, then we're going to go to the next one. We're going to go to the, keeps popping up, the top rectangular face. So if we look at the top one, we know that this is 5, and we know that this over here is 4. So I'll just tap out of that. So you can see 5 times 4 is 20 square meters. So, and now we've got to do another one because remember there were 3 faces that were identical. Move that one down. We've got this side rectangular face, and that one is that 4 times that 9 and gives you 36 centimeters squared. Okay, so make sure that you set it out like that with the equal signs underneath. So bring that underneath there. Then, so we've got our 3 identical sides. Now, it says calculate the area of each face. We've done that. Now add the areas to find the total surface. So this is how we do it. We go TSA, which stands for total surface area, and I want you to do this, equals 2 times 40 squared, because we had a front and we had a back. So it's 2 times those. We've got 2 times 20 centimeters squared. So we've got the top and the bottom were 20 plus 2 times 36 centimeters squared, which were your sides. And your equal sign is underneath, 202 centimeters squared. So that is how I want it set out. So now I want you to go ahead and give it a go.